I'm finna give y'all tips on how to gain subscribers, tips that I wish I would have had learned when I first started YouTube.
Oh my gosh, it's E10. Oh my gosh, it's E10. Oh my gosh.
What's good, YouTube, man? It's your boy E10 Mill here with a video on how to start your channel up in 2023, man. So basically, I'm finna give y'all tips on how to gain subscribers and all that, how to post content, what content to post, all that stuff like that, man. Hit that subscribe button, leave a like on the video, and comment anything y'all want to know about YouTube and stuff like that, and I'll get you right, you know what I'm saying? It's gonna be basically tips that I wish I would have had learned when I first started YouTube and stuff like that. But let's get to the video, no cap. Alright, so first things first, to start a YouTube channel in 2023 is you're gonna need a unique name, unless you wanna use your own name, you know what I'm saying? Like some people use like their first and last name or first and middle name. Or you can use a unique name like mine, E10 Mill. I don't know nobody named E10 Mill. They is, then you already know what the deal is. You feel me? But anyway, yeah, use your own unique name, or feel me, make a name really. Make a name for yourself. Then you want to have a banner to go on top of your YouTube, like a YouTube banner. You can make one, or you can go on Fiverr.com or Fiverr the app, and then pay people to make a banner for you, which is be like $5 to $10. It's very cheap, but yeah, you know what I'm saying. All right, so once you get your YouTube profile set up, you gotta find what niche you want to be in. Some niches are like vlogs, ASMR, eating, reaction channel, or like traveling, anything like that. You can do anything, really. Find what niche you want to be in and find what videos you want to post. Look on other YouTube channels that is in the same niche, and then find videos that similar to them to post, basically using them for ideas on videos and stuff like that. It could be like big or small YouTubers. It could be like people with 5 million subscribers and people with like 3. Just use their videos, you know what I'm saying? It's free game. And when you start recording, do not go buy a camera, man. Start off on your iPhone. Look, 'cause I'm recording on my iPhone right now. It got better quality than this lame camera, but I still love this camera though. You know what I'm saying? Go ahead and record on your phone and then edit on your phone. I ain't buy a MacBook until like 2 years later after I ain't buy a MacBook till 2 years later after I done blown up YouTube a little bit, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, you can just edit on your phone, CapCut, down iMovie, InShot, anything really. You can edit on them camera roll shit. I don't know. It's really easy like that, man. Alright, once you're done editing your video, you want to make a thumbnail that's very, very, very clickbait. You know what I'm saying? You want people to watch your videos and fall in love with your videos and subscribe. That's the process of being successful on YouTube, really. You can either make a thumbnail, or you can go on Fiverr again and then go buy a gig for somebody to make it for you, you know what I'm saying? And then find a title that's catchy to get people's attention on YouTube. Be like Mr. Beast. He be like, I healed 50,000 blind people, or something like that, you know what I'm saying? Easy as that. Famous on YouTube. And when you upload the video, make sure to put hashtag in the description, in the little tag thing, so you can get more exposure to your videos, you know what I'm saying? Now here's the part that I myself struggle with, and a whole bunch of other YouTubers struggle with, trying to stay consistent. You want to stay consistent your whole YouTube career, man. It's going to be a little hard though, because you're going to feel discouraged, because you might get 1 view on one video. No, you might get 10 views on one video and 1 view on the next video, which brings down your ego really. But stay consistent, man. It's gonna come. The viewers gonna come. Everything's gonna come and fall into place. No cap. Really have fun with this YouTube stuff, really, man. Don't do it for the money, for the views. Well, you want to do it for the views, obviously, but don't do it for the money. You know what I'm saying? Have fun with it. A little side hustle that's gonna turn into a business later on when you blow up. After you upload, always promote your channel, man. always promote your stuff. Be TikTok, Instagram, Twitter, anything really, just promote. One thing to stay away from is sub for sub. You never use sub for sub, man. Don't ever use that, man. Ain't gonna be real subscribers. It's just gonna be people that subbing to your channel just for a sub. Hey, it's an easy way to get 1,000 subscribers, but it's not artificial. Like, it's not real people want to watch your videos every time you drop. So don't do sub for sub. Alright, so I'm gonna teach y'all a way how to promote y'all channel. I want you to screen record a snippet of your YouTube video, edit it a little bit, make it less than 60 seconds, and then post it on TikTok with some hashtags, or post it on YouTube Shorts. It's easy content. It'll make people want to watch the video. So another way to promote is by going on Facebook or Reddit and then joining YouTube groups. You can just easily do shout out for shout out with them, or you can drop your YouTube link so they can subscribe. Or also go to Discord and do the same thing, like go to YouTube Grow group or something like that, or go to your niche's group and then drop your YouTube link.